Rocker arms. A rocker arm is a pivoting lever in an internal combustion engine's valve train that transfers cam lobe motion to open intake-exhaust valves. Acting as an intermediary between the camshaft, or pushrod, and the valve stem, it converts rotational motion into linear movement to control airflow. They are commonly made of steel or aluminum, with roller versions reducing friction. Functions and characteristics. Valve operation. As the camshaft rotates, the rocker arm pivots, pressing down to open the valve. A spring then closes it. Mechanical advantage, rocker ratio. Rocker arms typically use a ratio 1.5 to 1 or 1.8 to 1, multiplying the camshaft lift to determine how far the valve opens. Types. Common types include stamped steel, roller-tipped, and full roller rockers. Location. Found in the cylinder head, usually mounted on studs, pedestals, or a shaft. Functions of rocker arms. Opening valves. As the camshaft lobe pushes one end of the rocker arm up, the other end pivots down, pressing against the valve stem to open it. Controlling timing. They ensure the intake and exhaust valves open and close at precise intervals to allow fuel air in and exhaust gases out. Adjusting lift ratio. Rocker arms can amplify the movement of the camshaft. A rocker ratio allows the valve to open further than the lift of the cam lobe itself, improving engine performance. Reducing friction. Modern engines often use roller rocker arms, featuring bearings at the contact point, to reduce friction and increase efficiency at high RPMs. Symptoms of faulty rocker arms. Engine ticking noise. A tapping sound often indicates a loose, worn, or broken rocker arm. Reduced power misfiring. Faulty arms disrupt precise valve timing. Oil leaks. Damaged rocker arms can lead to leaks around the valve cover.